Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me. I am using this adorable kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. It is her introverted New Year's kit, and this is what it looks like. I don't go out on New Year's. Every year that I've ever gone out with has resulted in something bad, and I'm serious, like something bad happening. So I just like to stay in now, and then nothing bad can happen, right? Okay, so I am going to go through and use all of these wonderful stickers. I'm going to use the date covers and the bottom washi and cut it using my brand new slice tool. And then I'm going to put the boxes down. I'm trying to decide which ones I want to put where. She has 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 boxes. I think I want to put this one here. Or no, I think I'm going to put the 2019 on the side. And I can't decide if I want to use this one or this one. I don't know. I'm just going to get into this because now I'm just kind of... I didn't notice that they were cut cute. Tasia, she outdoes herself again. Which means I have to put this actually a little bit lower so that... Oh no! No! Okay, they're literally right there. And I don't have whiteout because it doesn't really work on this paper. So maybe I can't use the... might not be able to use the, you know what, screw it, and I'll just trim that later, and it'll just be a little bit different. And wow, but that one is way off. Yeah, this is the last week of this set of inserts, so it's getting kind of hard to plan, and my weeklies have gone almost to the way back, so which I might move. I don't know. The video before this, which this is the third video I'm filming today, but it is probably the second video going up. My planners, I kind of did a mini walkthrough of this planner along with a bunch of my other ones, which I know I'm crazy. I have way too many planners. But I think I'm going to reset this one up because I don't like my weekly being so far back and getting it all smushed. So, I don't know. I'm going to stop rambling and you can listen to awesome music right now while I finish setting my basics up. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it's really cute, and I think it's fun to end it off with the phew, that was close. I almost had to socialize at the end of the week. I'm going to be using this I Hate You Monday Poe because it is Monday and I'm kind of hating it. So, yeah. Oh, I was like, there have to be headers somewhere. Which header do I want to use for suppers? Guys, I wish you could tell me through the thing. I think I'm gonna be matchy-matchy. I'm gonna be weird this week. And that's crooked. You have to be careful with her stickers because if you stretch, they will stretch and then they get a little morphed, but yeah. Okay, I am going to use these guys. I've not been good with my trackers. I should have used this instead of that header since it's supper. There, that looks cute. What to do down here? Are there like, yeah, there are. I'm going to use a full box. We'll use this one because, or not full box, but like one of these things, half box. And just bring it up like that. And you always see a little bit on this side, and that's fine. And just to kind of break it up, I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to overlay it to kind of cover up that line because it's bugging me today. It usually does not bug me, but you know what? This week is all about, I was going to put some of the cute like deco, but this week is really, I need to get a lot of stuff done before I go back to regular work. So yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so Tuesday, I have nothing planned. I might go to the movies. Wednesday is my friend's birthday, or well, it's her husband's birthday. So I'm going to put, oh, it's also payday. Whoop, whoop. Get that money. So I'm going to do this and I'll write payday. And then it is my friend's husband, John's birthday. So these cute little party hats right there from the kit. And then Friday is new releases, which I forgot to bring a cute sticker for that. Okay, so what do I want to use for new releases? We will use a quarter box, and I'll use this one. So it goes like that. And then we're going to get a sneak peek of one of, wow, great. One of the new releases, which is the individual check boxes, but these are in a pastel. You can also get them in bold, and then also if you just wanted a full sheet of red, you can get just a full sheet of red and all that good stuff. I think I'm going to throw in some silver in here, and I'm actually going to use the butterfly one just to mark it like not as a check box, but like because it's my new releases and kind of just as decorative. So you don't have to use stickers for what they're meant to be used for. You can just use them for whatever you want them to be. Okay, so that is all I know for sure that's going on today we are probably gonna go to the grocery store, which hopefully it will not be a crazy, but yeah. So this is my spread for this week. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you did on New Year's Eve. Did you go out or did you stay in like I did? See you guys next time. Bye.